Welcome to our channel. If you want to cancel your Adobe Creative Cloud plan, follow these step-by-step instructions to end your subscription. Step 1. Open your web browser and go to account.adobe.com. Sign in using your Adobe ID email and password. Step 2. Once logged in, navigate to Plans and Products or click on Manage Plan to view your active subscriptions. Step 3. Find your Creative Cloud subscription in the list and click Manage Plan next to it. Step 4. Scroll down and look for the Cancel Plan or Cancel Your Plan option and click on it. Step 5. Adobe will ask you to provide a reason for cancellation. Select an option from the drop-down menu. Step 6. Review the cancellation terms. Note that if you're on an annual plan paid monthly, you may be charged an early termination fee. Step 7. If you want to proceed despite any fees, click Continue to confirm the cancellation. Step 8. Complete the cancellation process by following the final confirmation steps. You'll receive an email from Adobe confirming your plan has been cancelled. Your access continues until the end of your current billing period. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.